guys, today we are preparing some salt mackerel. So I got this salt mackerel from the store. It's maga, but this is the only. I went to a store before, but them never have none. So we'll go and next meat chop and add this in the have. So we grab 4 pieces. Usually I just take 2 big pieces, but we just gonna cut them here in half. I already put on some water on the stove for boil. So I'm gonna cut it in half, rinse it off with some lime, and then we'll put it in a pot. Add some vinegar to the pot and just boil it off. Right, so this is what we have. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse off 1 set of water. I'm gonna rinse it in. So yeah, rinse off the excess salt. I rinse off the excess salt. I'm trying to put off while the water runs. And then I squeeze lime juice. I'm gonna also add some vinegar. Right, some cold water. So just a kind of rinse it off. Nothing too much. Alright, so the water soon boils. So I'm just gonna leave it in this water until the hot water start boil. Then I add it to it. So it's gonna soak maybe for like 10-15 minutes while the water I get hot. So yeah, I'm just gonna soak this in the vinegar and lime water for about 15 minutes or until the water starts boil. Then we'll put it overnight. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with the mackerel now. So water boils, so we're gonna boil it for maybe like 10 minutes, and then we'll pour it off, add water to the pot again, and boil it again. So we're boiling it 2 times. All right, so I'm gonna pour off the first set of water off it. This is gonna create a cloud over the phone, but so I'm just pour off this water, right, and catch some fresh water from it. And we're gonna just set back this on the stove. So we're just gonna allow this to boil again and then throw it off. So I'm gonna throw off the second water. Run some cold water on that. So left that, make that one cool. So just cut up the seasoning. I'm going with 2 tomatoes. So that is a shallot. You can use onion. Well, I'm from the same family. I use 2 tomatoes. I like a lot of tomato in my mackerel. Some people then squeeze out the seed out of the tomato, but I don't. That's optional. I want the juice from the tomato, so I'm gonna leave it in there. So I'm going with some red bell pepper. Also some green bell peppers. So for me tell you, I'm gonna eat bell peppers. So I always pick out the whole of them every time I food. But it just make the plate look beautiful. So that's why I always use them. I like the look way get a dish. So that means it's optional. It's not necessary. They have a nice flavor, but some people put garlic in them salt mackerel. So we are going with the scotch pepper now. So the pepper now depends on how much spice you like and can manage. So I'm gonna add the seed to mine because I think it's fish. So the spice won't hurt. Alright. So we have all the seasoning here, so ready for a pot. I'm also gonna add a small little piece of thyme, not too much. Just a small. You know, thyme can be strong, and this is organic thyme, so I'm not using up more than this. So I'm just gonna wash it off and add it. So just go in and clean up the mackerel now. We're gonna debone it. I like the bone, so I'm gonna use some of the bone in mine. Not all of it, but some of it. So we get rid of any unwanted thing on the mackerel that we don't need. So the fine bones, we're gonna try to get as much as possible. If you miss a few, that's also okay. See everything I drop. Can't take the marker sitting here, you know. Alright, so we'll clean off as much as the slime as possible. If you don't want the eye, you can take out the eye. On my days, some days I leave it in, some days I take it out. So all of this depends on your preference. Some people eat the skin of it. I don't like it. I don't like that slimy texture. It have a texture that I don't like. If it go in my mouth, I normally spit it out, so I have to clean it off. Alright, this take a little time, so I'm gonna do a couple more pieces showing, and then I come off camera, but finish clean it up and come back. I can't have it up on camera and do this because it's gonna take too long. So just remove any bone you don't want. As I say, if you don't want the skin pan in it, you just take it off. That's it. And this take a little time, so you just have to be patient with yourself to clean it up. Some people left the bone in there because the bone is kind of annoying. Just I do maybe that piece here and then come off camera. And guys, remember to like, share, tell a friend, about this page, and also anywhere you guys see adjustment is needed, you can let me know too, because remember, I'm new to this. I'm not true to this YouTube thing yet, so I'm just getting the hang of it. All right guys, I'll come back. So I'm just gonna debone this and set aside. So I'm going with some oil. So guys, I'm gonna go in with the onion and the tomato then first. We're going with some tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, it's okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the rest some vegetable and spice piece of time. And the salt mackerel pick up, so we're just gonna push that in our pot. Before we stir it, I'm gonna add the black pepper and I keep out a little piece so I know it needs little salt. Let me tell you, if you don't need no all purpose or nothing with salt, don't add it. Just leave it alone. So I'm gonna add a little of that, and then I go so combine everything together. Alright, so I'm just going at the food pot. Grab some water from the food pot and pour it in there. Just a little, not too much. So this is the water from the dumpling pot. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so this looks good. You can taste it at this point. Oh my word. This is so good. Alright, so I'll cover that. No more than a minute or two and we're done. Woo! Oh my god. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Spicy butter. So yeah, this is what we have here. Let me show you. Woo. hot, hot. Thank God for my nails then. Alright, so I'll move with some of this now. Okay.